This is the Viking push press. I'm going to show it to you and then break it down. So the Viking push press, it starts in the snatch. You want to start the movement with full extension with your arm, and it's down and right back up. So you're going to catch the bell with your body, pop it off your body, and then hold it in full extension above your head. This is the resting position. Down, right back up. The breathing is 2 exhalations here and then on the way back up. So it's slight knee dip. So you're gonna dip, drive, catching the bell and then right back up. Snatch, loose hand. Side. There's the Viking push press.